Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I'm excited to share with you guys another item that I purchased and received last week, and I'm just blown away with the quality. Now, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know I pretty much review and share anything that I get my hands on this channel, within reason. You know what I mean? I'm not going to review every single item in my house, but pretty much anything new I like to share with you guys, and anything that I get that's fashion related, you know, men related, you know, cosmetics, whatever it may be, from eye drops to watches, from watches to leather jackets. And today I want to share with you guys another leather jacket that I bought the other day. It took about 14 days to get, but I'm blown away at the quality. And if you guys haven't watched me for a while, you guys know I've done a few videos on my leather jacket collection, and I've done another video on the brand new one I got for Christmas, the white leather biker jacket. That white leather is extremely hard to find for a decent price in a men's jacket. Very, very difficult to find. And again, my parents got me for my birthday, or for my Christmas gift, that white leather jacket. If you haven't checked out that video, definitely check it out. If you're in the market for white leather, it's something you want to pick up, because I mean, for years I searched and I could never find one for the right price, and just find one in general. Back in the day, I always purchased my leather jackets from Wilson Leathers, and as time has gone on, the prices that you can get on Amazon and eBay are just absolutely insane right now. So you guys know, again, I love leather jackets. I think nothing really tops off an outfit better than just a leather jacket. Just, it looks badass, it feels badass, and they're extremely warm, and they're extremely durable, and they're really timeless, which is really great about that. You know, I remember back in the day when the Tommy Hilfiger came out, and those bubble jackets were popular. You know, you're not gonna wear that anymore. Like some of the coats that I have from back in the day, when more of my style was more of like hip hop, a little more, you know, a lot of stuff fit baggier. And don't get me wrong, I still always wore leather jackets, but I had some of that other Tommy stuff and some of those other brands, First Down. And you know, a lot of those jackets that I do still have, I just don't wear them anymore because they're not really my style anymore. But a leather jacket is timeless. You could always wear a leather jacket. You could always match a leather jacket up with some kind of outfit. So, with that being said, after getting that white leather jacket I got for Christmas, it really sparked my my interest in getting more leather. And you know, I hadn't really bought a leather jacket for a while since that one. I just didn't really want to spend the money. To be honest with you, I didn't really know what kind of quality you can get for under $100, like the 100 to 120 price point, right? And after getting that one, I was like, wow, this thing is nice, and I couldn't believe it. So I've been looking lately at leather jackets as much as I'm looking at watches, for God's sake. So I picked up another one. I actually ordered another one yesterday, which will come in the mail by, I think, March 5th, roughly. So I'll be reviewing that as well. But let's talk about the one I got today. And I wanted something in a vintage brown leather, and this is the one I picked up. This jacket is sick, and this thing was only $94 shipped on Amazon. I will definitely put a link in the description. Now, my white leather jacket I got was actually from eBay, and that one took a little bit longer because I believe that one came from overseas, if I remember correctly. This was great because if I had any kind of problem with the fit, very easy to return things on Amazon. eBay, you still have that option, but Amazon's really easy to return things. Like in most cases, just no questions asked, return, refunded, really easy. So I wanted to get a jacket off Amazon just for that reason. And what you have to be careful on when you're ordering these jackets or any kind of leather jacket on eBay or Amazon is the fact that sometimes there's a real size difference depending on where it's made. An Italian medium is not necessarily going to be an American medium, and just like when they're made in China and places like that, clothing, there's a real difference in the size. So you really have to look at the measurements, and then even then, you're never guaranteed to get the perfect fit. So that's why I wanted to have something. If I had to send it back, I could. Now, I wanted a medium because I generally wear a medium. I'm about 179 pounds. I kind of fluctuate between 165 and 180. I prefer to be down to 165, but those beers add up, right? And so once I start to run again and get, you know, back into shape, hopefully, I'll drop a little bit of weight. But all my jackets, generally, I'll get a medium. And the nice thing about getting, you know, unfortunately, the bad thing about the internet is you just can't try it on. Nice thing about it is that the prices are amazing. But again, that's why buying through Amazon or eBay, very easy to return. I will put a link to this in the description after I put it on. And this is what you would call, again, like a vintage brown leather. And I saw different cuts of this coat. Several sellers sell stuff like this. Some are made of lambskin. This is made of cowhide. And I will tell you, I am blown away at the thickness of this leather. Now this, if you're looking for a jacket that's, let me stop rambling here. Let me throw it on. So if you're looking for a jacket that is very thick, I mean, this is an actual biker jacket. I mean, some of the other ones, like my white leather jacket, that one there is pretty much a biker style jacket. You could ride with it, but you're not going to get any protection. And although it's somewhat warm, it's definitely not thick like cowhide. Cowhide is very, very durable. If you went down wearing this jacket, this will give you a level of protection. This is like your standard James Dean style jacket with an overlapping flap. So basically, and you can see here, this the size I got is a small. I ordered a small because they were out of the medium, so it is a little bit snug on me, but what I've learned over the years, I prefer something fitted, you know, especially a jacket, because something, let's face it, like there's some shirts out there that, you know, because I don't have a six-pack by any means, if I put on something very, very tight, at this point in the weight that I'm at, it doesn't really suit me, you know what I'm saying? But a leather jacket, I mean, it's tight, it doesn't really, it kind of keeps everything in, you know what I mean? And so this, I could pull off a small, no problem. What I love about this jacket is that you have the side buckles here, or side belts, where you can, if you're a smaller dude, you can definitely cinch that in a little bit. For me, it's perfect right where it's at. Just like the way they look. You have several pockets, very durable zippers, and of course this thing is super warm, super well fitted, and it's an awesome looking jacket. And that vintage brown is something I didn't have in my collection. You have the diamond pattern on the elbows and the sleeves, diamond pattern, excuse me. Just an awesome jacket, and for $94. Again, if you are a smaller guy and you want to get this for actually riding a motorcycle, I sold my motorcycle, I never rode it, Kawasaki, had 2,500 miles on it, I bought it in 05, and I just sold it last year, still with 2,500 miles on it. So, never rode it, kind of miss having it because it was cool, but just sat in the garage, and they are dangerous. But if you are a rider, this is definitely a jacket you could wear. Now, again, some of the other ones on Amazon are made of lambskin. Again, you can wear whatever you want to wear, but if you look for something that'll give you some protection, this is a jacket you can do that. This is every bit as thick and every bit as durable as my $600 Icon jacket. So, it's pretty amazing. One thing also, if you are buying it for riding purposes, it does come with the armor plates, and I took all these out because naturally I don't ride. With the armor plates in it, it's very snug for me. So if you're a guy about, you know, my size, I'm about 5'7.5", 179 pounds. Normally my chest is a 42, and this, technically the measurements on this is a 38. So again, I can still get into a 38. It's just a little bit snug, and like I said, I prefer it that way. But with the armor plates in it, definitely way too tight for me, and I just took them out. So you get the back plate, the elbow plates, and of course your shoulder plates. These, I'm probably just gonna throw these away because I probably will never buy another motorcycle, and there's no point in keeping them around. You know, so, but again, if you're a smaller guy and you want to get the small with the plates in it, you'll definitely be able to wear it. The only thing is with the plates, and because this leather is so thick, it's going to fit like a standard motorcycle jacket. Like with the plates in my Icon jackets, they're not removable. Very, very restrictive. This definitely has loosened up a little bit since I got it. I'm wearing about 5 times already. And it's a fantastic jacket, guys. I can't stress enough to you how much I like it. I like it so much that if they had it in black, I was going to get it in black, but they don't. They only have it in the distressed brown. So again, there's a couple different versions. You're going to see this on Amazon. Several different sellers selling it with the twin, the double buckles right here. Keep in mind, this is the only seller on Amazon that I've seen that makes this jacket in a cowhide. So very durable. I like it much better than lambskin. Lambskin is a lot softer, but for me, I want a jacket to feel. I want it to feel snug. I want it to feel durable and tough. So that's what you're going to get with cowhide. And of all the jackets I have, this is definitely some pretty thick cowhide. The jacket is made, I believe, in Pakistan, but this came from, I think, Wisconsin, if I remember correctly. But not a bad coat. I mean, I absolutely love it. And I did order one similar to this kind of, I forget what they call it. It's like a James Dean kind of coat. It's what he wore. This kind of old school biker jacket. It's what you saw, you know, in those James Dean days, and a lot of the greasers wore stuff like this. I got a black one because I didn't have a black one, and I got it for 80 bucks. So I will put a link to both those in the description. If you want to pick it up, do it through my link. You're gonna get the best price. I'll tell you, get this while you can. They have small left in stock. They didn't have medium, but they have the small, large, and extra large. So depending on, you know, your body type, how you want the coat to fit, I could probably wear a large too, but again, I like it snug, and for my size, I think this is the perfect fit. So let me know what you guys think, guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I'm so blown away with the quality. Absolutely fantastic, and you'll be seeing a lot more leather jackets reviewed on the channel. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, be notified anytime I upload a new video. And as always, guys, you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.